and I'll be putting those links in the description so that you can mine on your phones in addition to mining on your computer. Now, this is a website that I've shown you guys before, and it's called CryptoTab. And as you can see here, you can see what my current balance is on the website. And right now I have 0.002 Bitcoins, which is approximately $25 USD. And you can see my total earnings since I got CryptoTab have been 0.0835 Bitcoins, which is currently the equivalent to $784 that I've gotten just from this website. And this is based on the current price of Bitcoin, which is $9,390. But when I was making videos on this before, it was priced at around $15,000, which means that I've actually earned quite a bit more than what this number says down here because it's based on the current prices. Now, you may be wondering, how do you earn Bitcoins on your computer? How do you mine them? And it's actually very simple. So when you get onto the browser, you have to download a browser that is specific for CryptoTab, and it's just called the CryptoTab Browser, and you're going to be brought onto this screen after you download it. And now you can observe right here that there is a mining option, and they have a slider that you can set different speeds for your mining. So you can turn it completely off if your computer is running too fast, it's too hot or something, or you can go all the way up and max it out. And when you max it out, the rate of Bitcoins that you mine is going to be a lot faster. And you can see right here is the rate that you're mining Bitcoins. Now, I'm not too sure what these units are, H per second, I'm guessing. I don't know what H is, but what I do know is that the higher this number is, the faster you're mining Bitcoins. So if you max it out, then you're going to be earning more Bitcoins. And another way to ensure you earn more Bitcoins is to use the CryptoTab browser, as you can see this icon down here, every single day. So you can make it your primary browser, your default browser, and it's going to earn you even more Bitcoins because they want you to use their browser. So they entice their users to keep using the browser by giving them more Bitcoins if they use it daily. Now, there's also another way to get Bitcoins besides the mining, and you can see right here, the amount that you've earned by mining is also split up with the amount that you've earned through affiliate earnings. And as you can probably guess, the other way is to refer people so you get more under your affiliate link. And referring more people will grow your mining network. So you can see right now I have around 29,000 people in my mining network, and you can do that too by sharing it on social media, on Reddit, on YouTube, however you want to share it in order to grow and get a portion of how much other people earn on their browsers. And the way to do that is you just have to copy this link that they give you here, and this link is a personalized referral link. So if people click on it and sign up under this link, then you're going to earn a certain amount that the other person that signs up under you earns. And you can see down here that there are the links, and you can see how much you've earned from that link. And you can also observe how many people have signed up under the link and actually under each other person's link. So if one person signs up under you and then another person signs up under them, then that becomes a level 2 referral. And if someone else signs up under that level 2 referral, then you get a level 3 referral. And you can go all the way down to 10 levels. So that means up to 10 different people can be referred by you referring just one person, and you get a portion of their earnings for all those 10 people. So it's really nice because it's more like a hierarchy of referrals rather than just a straight one-to-one referral. So you can get a lot of referrals just by getting someone that shares it with other people, and then they share it with their friends, and it just keeps on branching out until you have a whole bunch of people that you have technically referred under these 10 levels, and you can get a good amount of money just from that, and Bitcoins. Now, you may be wondering, how do they pay out? And obviously, with Bitcoins, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet. And the wallet that I use, as you can see right here, is called Coinbase. And with Coinbase, you just have to sign up with an email and they're going to give you a wallet link. And with that link, you can earn Bitcoins and receive and sell them. So now you can see here that my current balance is 0.0057 Bitcoin. And you can also look at how all the transactions that I've done in the past, and most of these are from CryptoTab. So you can see that they do pay out and that I did receive $249, for example, and then I was able to sell it and receive cash for US dollars, a total of $309 actually. And yeah, you can just see it just keeps on going down, and I've had a lot of transactions that were very successful and were pretty quick from CryptoTab. So they definitely pay out, and like I said, it's just very simple. You just literally click on this button here, max it out, and just use the browser, and you're going to earn Bitcoins. You actually don't even have to use the browser. It just gives you more earnings if you use the browser, but you're still going to earn even if you just leave it running in the background. So it's very, very passive. Now I want to go through a couple of the frequently asked questions just to look at the ways you can maximize your earnings, and also just to answer any questions you may have about CryptoTab. So you can see right here, it says that the CryptoTab browser is a free lightweight browser that also has additional functionality for Bitcoin mining. And it's different from other popular browsers because it's specifically designed for mining Bitcoins. Now you can also look at these about how to make the browser the default so that you get more money. Now let's just go down to some mining features, and it says how to set up a mining account. You just have to look at the settings option, and then you can link it to your social network account, like your Gmail or something like that, and it's going to then make an account for you just based on that. It's very simple and very easy. Activating mining, I showed you that. You just have to slide the slider for mining on, and you can set whatever speed you want, and that's just going to give you more Bitcoins if you set it on the maximum speed. Now, you might get your account terminated if you violate the terms of service, so make sure you don't do that in order to not get your mining to be blocked. And another major question is if you should always keep your mining mode active, and they say that it's not necessarily true. It just depends on how much you want to earn, and obviously the more friends you invite using your personal referral link, then you mine more Bitcoins, because as I showed you, there's like a lot of tiers in the referral system, so you can make a lot more by getting people that refer other people, and all of your mining will be pulled together as a sort of referrals earnings. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe for more videos like this and others in the future.